Hello friends around the world and welcome to my channel. So today we are talking about mealtime expression. So let's dive in. The first expression that we use is Bismillah. Bismillah. The first expression that we use is Bismillah. Okay? Bismillah. Bismillah. Perfect. And it's mean in name of God. Perfect. Yeah, so Bismillah. The next one is Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Thanks to God. Eating, okay? When we finish eating, we said Alhamdulillah. Okay? Alhamdulillah. So La or Allah in Arabic means, in Darija or Arabic means God, okay? Alhamdulillah, thanks to God. Perfect, amazing. I don't eat. I don't eat. ما كناكلش. So verb is كناكل, okay? ما, as we know, is negative in Moroccan Arabic. So ما كناكلش. I don't eat, okay? ما كناكلش. Okay, so for example, ما كناكلش, I don't eat meat. ما كناكلش لحم. ما كناكلش لحم. I don't eat meat. Okay, perfect. I don't eat fish, for example. ما كناكلش الحوت. ما كناكلش الحوت. Amazing. Amazing. Another one, chicken. ما كناكلش دجاج. دجاج. ما كناكلش دجاج. I don't eat chicken. Next one about drinks. I don't drink, for example, tea. ما كنشربش, okay, the negative. ما كنشربش, so the verb is شرب. أنا كنشرب, okay. ما كنشربش اتاي, okay. اتاي, as we know, is the tea. ما كنشربش اتاي. كنشربش القهوة. ما كنشربش القهوة. Okay, so as we know, قهوة is coffee. ما كنشربش, I don't drink, okay. I don't drink coffee. ما كنشربش القهوة. Everything. كناكل كل شيء. كناكل كل شيء. كناكل كل شيء. So كل شيء is everything. كناكل, as we know, is the verb eaten, okay. كناكل كل شيء. I eat everything. If we want to set the negative, we're gonna set ما كناكلش كل شيء. So ما is the negative. ما كناكلش كل شيء. Amazing. I eat vegetables only. I eat vegetables only. كناكل غير الخضرة. كناكل غير الخضرة. So only is غير, okay. Vegetables is الخضرة, okay. كناكل is the verb eaten, okay. كناكل غير الخضرة. Eat vegetables only. So only is become in the middle of the phrase. Great, amazing. I don't feel like eating. ما فيا ما ياكل. ما فيا ما ياكل. So ما ياكل, like don't have this appetite to eat, okay. ما فيا, I don't have, okay. So it's both like the negative. So ما فيا ما ياكل. ما فيا ما ياكل. Perfect. After we have I want just or I want only, okay. بغيت غي, okay. بغيت غي, okay. So بغيت, we know it is the verb wants, okay. بغيت غي, I want just or I want only fish, for example. بغيت غي الحوت. بغيت غي الحوت, okay. After we have I don't want breakfast. ما بغيتش نفطر. ما بغيتش نفطر. So breakfast alone is الفطور. ما بغيتش, I don't want to have breakfast. ما بغيتش نفطر. So نفطر is the verb, okay. ما بغيتش نفطر, okay. بغيتش نفطر. After we have the food is delicious, okay. هادشي بنين الماكلة or هادشي. So هادشي is like these things. الماكلة is the food. ماكلة بنينة. بنينة, okay. So بنينة is the feminine. بنينة, we add the a in the end. بنين for masculine. Okay, بنين and mean delicious. Okay, هادشي بنين. الماكلة بنينة. Amazing. Yeah, so this for delicious. We have the other expression that mean I'm full. Okay, شبعت. 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 Yes, adjective is شبعان. Okay, شبعان for masculine, شبعانة for feminine. Okay, a in the end, as we know. A in the end, as we know, any feminine words we add a in the end in Moroccan Arabic. Perfect. Yeah, so this is just a note, and don't forget it, guys. Okay, I always mention it in my videos, so not forget it, about the difference between feminine and masculine. The expression I want to learn how to cook. Okay, بغيت نتعلم نطيب. Okay, بغيت I want to learn how to cook. Okay, this expression بغيت بغيت نتعلم learn. نطيب is to cook, so نطيب is the verb to cook. Okay, بغيت نتعلم نطيب. بغيت نتعلم نطيب. If I want to conjugate, I want to say me. Okay, أنا كنطيب. أنا كنطيب, this means in the present. أنا كنطيب. Okay, بغيت نتعلم نطيب. So this is the expression that means I want to learn how to cook. Okay, I want to learn to cook. Okay, so we have the expression may God reward you. الله يخلف. الله يخلف. And this expression we use it a lot, especially if we buy something from a grocery souk. Okay, only the market, not supermarket, only the market. And you see people over there, you can sell it in the supermarket, but use it in like kind of a street word. Okay, so we said Allah يخلف. May God reward you. Allah يخلف. We have the next expression that is to your health. Okay, بصحة. Okay, بصحة. It's like have a great meal or like bon appetit. Okay, it's بصحة. بصحة. Literally it means to your health. بصحة. بصحة. Amazing. So this is when someone eats and after he finishes his meal, you said to him بالصحة, or before you said بالصحة, like enjoy your meal. Okay, may God grant your health too. الله يعطيك صحة. الله يعطيك, give you. الله يعطيك صحة. Okay, Allah is God. Okay, الله يعطيك, give you. صحة, okay, is like health. Okay, الله يعطيك صحة. So this is like the reply. So when you said بصحة, someone replied and said الله يعطيك صحة. So this is the reply of this expression. I think this is all for today of the Mealtime expression. I hope you enjoy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, click like and share the channel. And yes, if you have any questions, suggestion, or you want to mention something, please comment below. I will be glad to answer you guys, and see you in next time. Salama.